Well, look what I got here. I got some Heathkit parts. This is actually box 2 of 2. Oh, here's box 1. This is box 1 of 2. And originally shipped from Heathkit, Benton Harbor, Michigan, to Heathkit Electronics Center, 2727 West Indian School Avenue, where I was just in Phoenix and just picked this up. The top is open because we did a quick check to see what was all in here. And it is a complete, unopened SB-220 kit. The amplifier tubes are inside the cabinet. And over here, this is the plate transformer. And this is a hardware kit. I'm not sure what this part is off the top of my head, what this is yet. It's part number 54-238. But these were in the big box, but couldn't figure out how to pack it back in there. So I'm going to start taking stuff out and laying it out. We're going to build the sucker. Okay, making some progress on the SB-220 front panel. As you can see, this is an aftermarket black front panel. Got the badge installed, got the sensitivity potentiometer and the multi-function switch, the meters installed. And for wiring, this is all Teflon wire. Ran the meters to the barrier strip, wired in the potentiometer to the selector switch and meter. So again, all Teflon wiring. I'm not following the instructions to run the wires down and over, and I'm trying to do it a little neater than the how the manual is asking you to do it. A couple important steps. Going to make sure, since this is a ground, going to make sure the paint is removed for the center terminal of the barrier switch, and also underneath the sensitivity potentiometer. So it takes, for the multifunction meter, it connects to ground through the chassis. So we've got to make sure the paint's removed for the solder lug over here. So that's the start. Oh, one thing I did, these lamps are actually LED lamps. So I'll show you what they look like. So I just have 5 volts, my power supply up here, feeding the lamps. This is what they look like. Nice color, nice dispersion, nice warm color. And since they're LED, they'll never melt the meters. Hopefully they'll never burn out either. So that's the start. Got a lot more parts to go.